Hey friends, if you encounter video memory management internal blue screen error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the graphics card drivers. Okay, how would you do that? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first graphics card driver and select update drivers. Right click on the second one. Select update driver and search automatically for drivers. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a CHKDSK scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator. Type the command CHKDSK /F /R, hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. And lastly, restore your system to an earlier restore point. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore, click on next, choose a good restore point, click on next, and then finally click on finish and then on yes to initiate the restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.